gold medalist at the World and European Championships and the Commonwealth Games, Ewan Thomas! Ewan, what an honour. Savour the moment and tell us exactly what it was like to carry the Olympic torch. Well, before I even carried it, the stories on the bus as we were driving around and the different runners were being dropped off, and some of the inspirational stories, I felt I shouldn't really even be there. There were some great stories of people who have done some fantastic things for charity, and I'm really humbled and honoured to be here. And the crowd, all the way through, from Newmarket to here, has just been absolutely brilliant. This is one of the proudest moments of my life, too. It's massive. How does this compare? How does this compare to more nervous for this.
Honey?
When you train, you obviously ready for what you do, you train every day.
Yeah, wait until
the performance is amazing. I was really worried I was going to slip on the mud, so luckily I didn't, but it's been brilliant, and thank you for everyone for turning out. I think the Olympic fever is getting to everyone in this country. It's brilliant.
I mean, what is it about the torch? What is it about the Olympic Games being in this country which has brought out, wow,